Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SHANNONHEARTSX. So today is Wednesday, September 8th. I just got back home. I'm so sorry for being absent. I was really sick. I had COVID and so I'm recovering. Sorry if it's a little dark in here. I'm in my room. I am about to I am about to edit a video I made today and also watch Netflix while I do so, and have some tea because I woke up and I didn't eat anything this morning. So I have a really bad headache, and I also did not wear my glasses today. And if you know me, you know I have to wear glasses all the time. I have to wear it every day, all the time, 24/7, because I have severe astigmatism and I have not been wearing my glasses. Well, I haven't been wearing it today, so I have a headache and an eye ache, and I've been just winging it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my tea and finish up on my Netflix series. The one I'm currently watching is, what the hell is this? Oh, Clickbait. It is really good. It's really good. I need to look at my glasses. I am about to watch my series, edit some content, upload some content, and then yeah, you guys, I decided that I want to let me pause this. There's some noise in the back. If you hear a sound, it's my fan, one of my fans, because it's hot in here. I did my makeup today. It looks real cute. It's really cute. It's giving a rose. It's a brown smoky eye. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna get into fully being an influencer and content creator. So I have started my journey again, and I have decided to be consistent. So that's what I'm doing. But you guys need to check out the video that I'm about to post featuring this wig. If you haven't already, it is the bomb. I just have my bonnet on because I'm not doing anything right now, but you guys gotta check that out. So I'll check in a few. Morning, you guys. Welcome back to my why am I doing that? Morning. So I didn't pick up my camera yesterday. I'm currently in the bathroom, so I didn't pick up my camera yesterday, and I just woke up, so my voice is a little worse. Because I didn't really do much. I mostly stayed home. But today I'm gonna be recording another video. It'll be my COVID story, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about something I noticed. Hey you guys, so I just finished recording content. I recorded like my COVID story, and now I'm about to straighten up my room because I had to like set it up to record. So give me a minute. Hey you all. So I'm better. Guys, I really need to organize my room. There's a lot of stuff in here. Big stuff. So I gotta move them around whenever I'm recording. Oh, this is today's makeup look. Girl, it's hot as hell in here. Alright. I am about to... Okay. So, I am about to take my mommy on the road. You guys, I was trying to figure out, why does my lighting always look so bright? Like, you need to be giving me chocolate because you're chocolate. So, but yeah, I need to put on some different bottoms because I have on my pajama bottoms. And how do I know? Give me a sec while I get dressed, child. Record tomorrow. I'm trying to get as many videos done while my hair is done, because ain't nobody trying to see anybody looking raggedy on their YouTube. Let me figure out what I'm gonna wear to go on the road. You guys, I really love this wig. I love this top too. I love this top, girl. Love this top. But I don't think I'm gonna be taking any pics today. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change into something a little more comfortable. I'm gonna put on some tights and a t-shirt. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the grocery store grabbing some items, and it is jam-packed. It's jam-packed. So yeah, that's what's going on. I have to grab a few items. Hey you guys, so I'm back home. We went and did a little bit of grocery shopping, and now I am about to basically disinfect the groceries and then probably lay down. Well, no, I'm gonna shower and then lay down. So I just finished eating a salad from Wendy's and watching a Ted Bundy movie. I think it's called Ted Bundy and American Boogeyman. It was very PG-13. Like, I thought they were gonna like show him killing people. They kind of did, but not really. It was good. It was okay. And then I also watched what is that movie called? Don't Breathe 2, which is really good. I recommend you guys watching it. So yeah, I'm about to unpack some groceries and wipe them off. Alright you guys, so right now I am about to check our fridge and see if anything needs to be like thrown out, and then I am going to throw them out to make space for the stuff that we bought today. It's mostly like beverages and like teas and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do. You already know. So either I wipe off the stuff with like liquid disinfectant or spray or some bleach. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe off the stuff and then I am going to check back in. So this is what the weather's looking like, you guys. It's super sunny, super pretty, and hot. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Oh, it looks so dusty. What is this under my chin? Anyways, so hey guys, so I just got back home and I just had a salad from Pier 1. I'll insert a picture. It was bomb as hell. And now I am about to try these Kala deep cleansing nose pore strips, because when I was sick, like I wasn't able to like do like skincare. Child, I wasn't able to do a lot of things. So I'm about to give these a try and see. So let's go. So alright, I just washed my face using the Pore Refining Exfoliating Cleanser by Neutrogena. And alright, so this says wash face thoroughly. Did that. Now it says to wet nose with water in order to adhere strip. Let's get into it. Alright, so wetting my hands and then wetting my nose. I probably should take my nose ring out. Hold on. Let me take out my nose ring so I can get it. So I can get all them pores. Okay, wait a minute, because I'm gonna take this all around. If you guys hear sound in the background, it's the living room TV. Alright. So nose fully dampened. Now pore strip. I've always wanted to try these. Ooh, this would be litty like a city, y'all. And then just kind of rub it in. Cause yeah. And apparently it comes with like hazel, witch hazel and stuff, which is good. So yeah, get into it. I hope I recommend doing it because I need this to suck all the little whitehead thingies I have on my nose right on out of there. Rip them out. So that should do the trick. Oh, while I'm here, I was actually on the phone with one of my friends. She used to be a makeup artist. She's really good. And I was basically venting to her about, she's also a business owner. I have to tag her stuff down below. But like we were talking about like how unsupportive people are. Like, especially like on social media. Like, why is it so hard for you guys to show support? Why do I have 2,000 plus followers, only like 100 something y'all liking my posts? On that, I blame also, okay, you know what? Let me also blame Instagram, because this new algorithm is getting on my nerves. But we were talking, and basically, people gotta be more supportive. Like, it doesn't take much to just give a like or to comment or something. Like, what is so hard in doing that? Especially in the makeup community. Like, they love popularity, child, but they don't like supporting some of the little people sometimes. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. This is what it's looking like right now. It's kind of stiff. I wanted to get like super dry. I don't know if it's ready to come off yet. It feels pretty dry. And I want to just rip the whiteheads out and call it a day. Just rip them out. Yeah, purr. That's what I was talking about. Yeah. Girls or people on social media, like, they don't want to support people. What is so hard in giving a like? That's fake. Because, not me trying to fix my hair and then it just keeps getting worse. But, like, what's so hard in showing your support? All you gotta do is like a post and keep scrolling. People make it seem like it pains them. I don't like that, because if you know me, I'm not super supportive. So even if we're not super close and you post a business venture or you post something, I'm going to like it and I'm going to share it. Oh no. But they tested my gangsta. I don't like that. And then I'm kind of shy too, so I won't like promote myself, which is really bad because I really should to get the exposure. But then I don't want to seem like, I don't know. Plus, I don't like being rejected or feeling rejection. So that's probably why. So I gotta work on that. But yeah, you know, I'm still with Old Faithful. I love this wig. I need to get the hair out my face though. The road is so busy, and it's like the drivers forget how to drive when there's a little bit of traffic. Then some of the stoplights were out, so people were just doing whatever they wanted to do. It was really irritating. If you guys hear like a buzzing sound or whatever, it's my fan, or my fans. But yeah, that's what's going on with that. Right though. Follow me on my social media, you guys. I'm really trying to grow. You know what I mean? And a lot more content is coming to my channel. Sorry if this vlog seems really choppy. I didn't really have anything to talk about that much, but you know, as a Virgo, I tend to bite my tongue a lot, and then there comes times where I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna air this bitch out. So yeah, kind of did that last night on Facebook and Twitter, but it wasn't really the Twitter people that deserved it. It was the Facebook people. So yeah, you know, it's just what's going on. My wig needs to be relayed. I love my skin so much. Child, look at my hair, a mess. All right, you guys, I'm gonna check in a little bit. I'm trying to see if it even got anything out my pores. And definitely did. Yeah, it did. It got some stuff out of my pores, but I think I need to do it again. Yep. It got some stuff out of my pores. Some. And then left all this residue. Did I do it right? Child, let me not zoom in on my wig. I got some of it out because I see some of it, but it's not enough. I want more. And I also gotta like use my cloth to get this off my nose. I'm gonna try again.